for a festival in the Prabang, boat racing, and some other fun. Well, we have arrived in Laung Prabang. Salam is taking a nap. There's a festival going on, and there's something happening in the streets up here, so let's go check it out. Unfortunately for us, we arrived the day the boat races concluded, so we didn't get to see any of those. However, we did get to enjoy a very nice view from our hotel. The next morning, I rented a motorbike from the shop next door and headed out through the spectacular and deserted countryside to go check out some beautiful waterfalls. So I took a little motorcycle ride out into the mountains and jungle, got on a boat up the river to a beautiful waterfall. Should be pretty cool. Let's go check it out. The Tatsei waterfalls are really only interesting to see during the rainy season. Although the waterfall isn't huge, it offers numerous little pools and stairs where you can swim, relax, and even get a hydro massage on your back. In recent years, this area has become known as a little elephant center where you can come and meet and see baby elephants. Although when I was here, I didn't see any. Footprint. Back in town, we hiked up a small hill overlooking the river that contains a small wat and a little enclosure of Buddha's footprint. The size of Buddha's footprint means whoever made this must have been 20 feet tall, and it is believed that the footprint of Buddha is when he touched ground after reaching enlightenment. We're gonna get our own seat.
Yeah, I know, can walk by now.
Later in the afternoon, we went for an awesome sunset riverboat cruise. A nice little flatboat with a restaurant and bar, giving us some amazing views up and down the river, sunset, and the cost was less than $10 a piece. That's Laung Prabang here. I don't know, that's up. At her job.
Right? Yeah.
See, that seems. That's the view I was looking for. The next day I drove about an hour outside of town as I was planning to go check out the Tak Ao Caves. These caves are filled with hundreds of miniature statues of Buddha and a small alcove for relaxing and contemplation. However, upon getting there, I met some people who had just come back from across the river, and they told me it wasn't really worth it. So I decided to have a chat with these two and then head back to town. The last stop on our tour of Laung Prabang was the Unexploded Ordnance Museum, a very sad yet informative place. During the decade of bombing from 1964 to 1973, over 2 million tons of ordnances were dropped over Laos, making it the most heavily bombed country per capita in the world. Even 50 years later, people are still finding unexploded ordnances and losing arms and limbs from this war so long ago. Coming up next, I meet up with some friends in Thailand for some epic sailing around Phang Nga Bay, checking out some of the beautiful islands like Phi Phi, and doing some spectacular diving throughout the Andaman Sea. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. We really appreciate your time. If you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting on this video so we can talk with you directly. These are fast, fun, and easy ways for you to follow our adventures. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week.